a request to see what would she do different this time. So she's asking some advice as to how to grow it. So today I have 3 orchids that I'm going to show her. I just bought this the other day. A couple of them are rescue orchids from Lowe's, and so I bought it. And they're miniature orchids, so I'm going to show you what it looks like when I bought it, and what I'm going to do with it, and then how I'm going to repot them. And I'm going to also show some of my orchids that needs watering and what I put on my water, for example, fertilizer and whatnot. Okay, so I'm going to show you the 3 orchids that I'm talking about. This is one of them right here. I'm going to put it in this pot right here, and it's in full bloom. And look at that, there's a little bit more bloom right there to go. It's really cool. This is a miniature orchid. This is a rescue orchid, and another rescue orchid. As you can tell, they're all the pattern, it's all the same, and it was falling off the flowers. That's why I bought it. Actually, there was like it was really soft and really lumpy because it was so dehydrated, but when I water it, and then it came back up. Look at that, it came back up after I re-water it, and right there. So that's what it looks like when it comes to us, you know, when we buy them. So these are the clay pots that I'm going to use, because I'm going to use 3 different types of media this time, because spring, summer is coming up, or summer is coming up, so I'm going to use a different media. I'm testing a lot of medias to see what's best for the orchids. This one is not a rescued, and I bought it. The reason I bought it, because look at the flower. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at it. It's yellow, and it's got spot in the middle, and you know about spot. I love spotted orchids. And it's got a spot right in the middle, right there. And that is the reason why I bought this one, because it's got yellow in the middle. Look at that. This is just the most gorgeous orchids right there. And that is the price right there. And see, that's what it looks like right there. So I have to repot them because there is no holes right here. I mean, I love the pot, it's pretty, but there's no holes. And these are some of my orchids that are still in full bloom. Look at that. These are the 3 media that I'm going to use today for my orchids. This one right here is a sphagnum moss, which mixed with perlite and bark, and also a lava rocks, or a growing rocks. And I know I have some lava rocks in here mixed up with. Here's a lava rock right there. And that is the first media that's going to go in one of them. The second media that I'm going to use is just plain lava rock right here. You can buy this at any store. Home Depot here. I'm not sure about your Cindy. I'm not sure where you would find this. Probably at the nursery or a garden shop. And then the third one are right here. I just mixed them up really good before I put them in a pot. This is the sphagnum moss that I use, and I bought this at Lowe's or Home Depot. They're the only 2 places that sell them here in our state. I mean, in our area. And the other one that I got is, you know, that bark that I got. This is what I use right here. That is the bark that I use, okay? So first off, I'm going to remove the plants from the plastic that they came from, or it came from. Gotta be careful. And then I'm going to take off the moss, okay? Take him off. Everything looks good. I just leave this one alone. I don't take him out or anything like that. See that? That is part of the roots, and you just leave it. I just leave it. You know, it's up to you if you want to remove it or not, but I just leave it there. Okay, here we go. So what I'll do is, here's the pot that's going to go in there. So I'm going to put, I'm going to go ahead and put sphagnum moss right here in the middle. And then put a little bit in there. And then just pack it gently in there, okay? Pack it gently. When you pack it with dirt, make sure that you don't go at the very top and cover the leaves. It just stops right there where the leaf starts, okay? So this one, I'm going to use the bark, okay? This bark right here. So what I'll do is put a little bit of bark in here. Pulling it up. And right here. See that? I got this one cleaned out as much as I can. So I'm gonna repot this one in a bigger clay pot right here. Just fill this up with a lava rock. So if you notice, I fill it up to the right here where the lid starts. That's where I fill it up. I don't bury the plant completely in there. So this one is fine, right? So I have 5 orchids here I'm going to show you. One of them is grown in the bark, and the other one is in sphagnum moss mixed with perlite and lava rocks and bark. And the other one is growing in lava rocks, okay? So this one right here is super dry. How can I tell when it's really need water? It's because it is super light, and when I touch the sphagnum moss, see how dry it is? It's crunchy. So this one is ready to be watered, and that's growing in a bark, a little bit of perlite, a little bit of moss, and a little bit of lava rocks, okay? And the other one is growing in sphagnum moss and a little bit of bark. And this one is ready to bloom. See that? It's a secondary bloom. So I'm gonna put that to the side. And the other one right here, I just watered this a little while ago. It's growing in lava rock. Now, before I put this in lava rock, the leaves was in distress because it was really soft and really lumpy like a cooked spinach. But anyway, when I put it in lava rock, then it perked up, and now it's doing really well. And as you can see, the roots is really green because I just water it. See the roots? It's green, but it's doing really well. And I put this by my window in the kitchen. And then the other one is right here. This is pure, simple sphagnum moss, okay, and a little bit of perlite. See the perlite? And how I can tell that needs water? Because it's super dry, as you can tell, and it's super light. And see the roots? It's gray. That's supposed to be green. So, and this one, actually, it's got a spike right there. See that? See? It's getting ready to, I don't know if it's a bloom or a keiki, or I'm not sure, but there's also a growth right here, and there's another growth right there. Okay, so this one is ready to be watered. And the other one I have this is one of my oldest orchids. This is like a 5-year-old orchid, and as you can tell, all the roots are gray. Look at that, they're all gray, and it's really light. And see, all that roots is all gray, but once I water that, it's gonna turn green. And this one is growing on a sphagnum moss. Oh geez, for probably about 4 years, 5 years. I haven't changed the moss yet. It's still the same. And also this one, look at that, it's got a spike. It's getting ready to bloom. It's gonna be a while. I don't know how long. I don't know if that is a flower or that is gonna be a keiki. I'm not really sure. So, and it's got a lot. This is called air roots. See? And so I'm gonna show you my water. This is a water system. This comes from my sink. What I'll do is I mix them up with Calmag and also a fertilizer. This is a 4-gallon container, and here is the fertilizer that I use. 1 teaspoon per gallon of water. And the Calmag right here is the one that I use also. It's 1 teaspoon per gallon. My plant was really getting sicker before, and when I started using this and some of the fertilizer, I have 4 different types of fertilizer, but this one is what I use in here. So I'm gonna show you those later. I'm gonna make another video for that. But anyway, so yeah, I mixed these 2 together in that water. So that's a 4-gallon. So 4 teaspoons of Calmag and 4 teaspoons of this orchids fertilizer, okay? And I got this from the nursery, and I got this from Amazon. So I don't get the part of the orchids right here wet, because in my environment they rot really fast in my environment. So I do not water in the middle right there. I've seen my plants died When I went on vacation, I have like almost 15 plants that died because it got a crown rot. And then the next one is this one here. You get, see how lumpy it is? Because it's so dehydrated right now, super dehydrated. So you don't have to wait that long to water your plant. Don't overwater it. And if you notice, if it gets wet in there, get a paper towel or some kind of towel and wipe it right away. With the lava rock, I soak it in for about a minute or two. It's okay to get wet, the leaves, as long as it doesn't get right there in the middle, okay? There you go. This is sphagnum moss, so this is like 30-second soak, and it's done. So this one is the same thing. And that's it. And thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope this one, Cindy, it helps you. So thank you. Be very blessed out there. God bless. Life is too short. Enjoy every moment of it.